Hey guys, Josh Martelli here for UTV Underground, and we're back with another no fluff shakedown. Today we're diving into the 2025 Polaris RZR Pro XP4 Ultimate, the most premium 64-inch machine Polaris makes. Now this rig delivers Pro R level tech and comfort without the weight or the hit to your wallet. It's a full send setup for pre-running dunes or desert trails. Let's get after it right now on UTV Underground. Now the Pro XP4 Ultimate remains one of the best looking in class. The moss green paint on the rig gives it a tough, earthy vibe, but Polaris is also offering this model in onyx black and zenith blue, giving you a few more ways to match your style with your terrain. One nice new touch for 2025, an animated RZR Fang accent lighting, bringing a bit more attitude and presence to the front end. You still got signature LED lighting, full underbody skid plating, and a stance that screams ready for battle. With a 64-inch wide footprint, full doors front and rear, and 30-inch Maxxis tires wrapped around 14-inch cast aluminum wheels, this thing's built to make an entrance and handle whatever comes next. The overall length is 155 inches and the ground clearance is at 14.5. So she's long, wide, and always ready to rip. All right, let's talk about the interior and the comfort going on inside this XP. You've got bolstered bucket seats with 4-way adjustability. Now new for 2025, Sub-Zero rated 4-point harnesses up front. Rear passengers ride higher in stadium-style seating. You've got cup holders, accent lighting, and smart storage compartments that makes this feel like a proper command vehicle, not just a toy. But what I love the most is this tilting, telescoping steering wheel that really allows you to dial in the perfect position for your arms and your body on these rides. Now at the heart of this machine is a tech suite that still leads the class. The upgraded gauge cluster features dual analog dials and a new 4-inch LCD, clean, easy to read, and race ready. At the center of all of it is a 7-inch Ride Command glove touch display, fully glove friendly, GPS loaded, and trail proven. You've got Bluetooth, USB, and full topo mapping baked in. When it comes to the audio and the sound system in this machine, we've got a Rockford Fosgate Stage 4. That's 4 100-watt speakers, tweeters, and a 10-inch sub and dual amps. This thing is loud. When you've got your tunes connected and you're blasting, even at top speed, you can hear your music and feel your music right through your helmet. This is all IPX rated to handle mud, water, heat, and dust. Now under the hood, the Pro XP4 Ultimate packs the same 181 horsepower turbocharged 925cc ProStar Twin. It's matted to a PVT automatic transmission and on-demand all-wheel or two-wheel drive tranny, delivering instant torque and reliable power delivery in every condition. Polaris removed engine braking in 2024 and it stays gone in 2025, so you get that natural coast and roll on descents. Dry weight tips just over 2,200 pounds, so this thing hauls and launches. Whether you're climbing ledges in Johnson Valley or blasting flat out through the Nevada desert, the Pro XP4 Ultimate responds instantly and keeps you grinning. When it comes to suspension and handling, Polaris delivers a ride that adapts in real time. You're riding on Fox 2.5 Podium live valve shocks, front and rear, tied to Polaris Dynamics 2.0 semi-active compression dampening system. That means real-time terrain data, constantly adjusting compression based on speed, G-forces, steering, and pitch. Now, this isn't just talk. We tested this rig hard. We ran this rig through Ocotillo Wells, the deserts of Southern California, and some local trails in Arizona. We hit sand washes, tight ridge lines, fast fire roads, and brutal whoops. For 2025, the RZR Pro XP4 Ultimate starts at $36,999 MSRP plus a $1,295 destination charge. This thing brings almost everything from the Pro R, but in a more nimble, trail-ready, budget-conscious package. Compare that to the $45,000 plus for a Pro R, the value is here. It's undeniable. It's the smart man's flagship. Let's talk competition. Can-Am's X3 is fast and Honda's Talon is clever with the DCT, but neither offers the mix of live suspension, integrated tech, and cockpit comfort like this RZR. Polaris created the performance UTV segment and they continue to set the pace. They're not reacting, they're leading. At the end of the day, this thing fits every type of off-road lifestyle. Whether you're camping with the family, pre-running a race course, running support for a race team, or just heading out solo with a cooler and some tools, this machine adapts. It's the off-road SUV, the one rig that does it all. All right, so what's the consensus on this Pro XP? Same firepower, better safety, and the same killer price. So if you want a premium ride that's trail ready, dune ready, and desert proven, this machine checks all those boxes. A quick note on safety. These machines and pretty much every other modern pro level UTV, especially in the Polaris arsenal, there's a ton of power behind the steering wheel. It's very, very easy to go from 0 to 0 very quickly out there on the trail. So please be safe out there. I'm Josh Martelli for UTV Underground. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and drop us a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, stay dirty, and we'll catch you out there.